Hey community, it's time for another lesson from class. So I had a client come in and put up a scene where the given circumstances entirely pointed to her character being incredibly excited about showing her husband this incredible thing that she bought, that she basically, well, that she got for free in her mind. The issue that this actress was dealing with is that it's really hard for her to get to authentic excitement. Right? Some people have trouble getting to tears. For some, it's fear. Other people have all the emotional, triggers in place, and their issues lie elsewhere. She has trouble getting to excitement. So she puts it up and she tries for this thing, and it doesn't work. And so the first conversation to have with her, of course, is only give us what you've got. We don't want to see any fakery. And so if your excitement is just on this level of like, you're gonna love this, this is awesome, I can't wait to show you this thing, then that might be enough. Let's see it, let's see how it goes. So she gives us that, as much as she's got. It's not enough. The scene doesn't work. So the second conversation that we had, which is the point of this video, is excitement doesn't necessarily have to look the way that you originally thought it should. Right? Excitement can look 1,000 different ways. Most of the time, when we see excitement on the page, we think it's got to be this big, crazy, out-of-your-mind excitement. It doesn't need to be that. Sometimes when people are excited, it's very contained. They might just, this is awesome. You're going to love this, right? It might actually seem more sexual, it might seem more childlike. There are a bunch of different ways that any particular emotion can look or can manifest in a particular person. And so she ended up going a more sexual route, and it became this really interesting, you're gonna love this, sorry, but it worked, and it was really funny, as it was supposed to be. So, lesson is, try to get past your initial instinct of what something is supposed to look like and explore some other options. You might find something better. As always, I'm Braden from the Braden Lynch Studio. Work it.